Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add items to cart on Etsy. If you want to save items to buy later or combine multiple items in one order, you can easily add to cart on Etsy. First of all, launch open Etsy application on your device and log in. Once you're logged into the home page, go ahead and find the item you want to add to basket or cart. You can also search for this specific item in the search bar at the top. From the search results, go ahead and find the item you want to add to your cart. After finding the product in the info section, go ahead and scroll down and click on Add to Basket. You'll then need to select the color if available for the product and then go ahead and choose some style. This might vary depending upon the type of product you are trying to shop. Soon after you do that, the product will be added in your basket. Your basket will be located at the bottom right corner. Simply tap on it and you'll be able to see all the products that you've added in the basket. Adding items to your Etsy cart makes it easy to shop multiple items at once, compare products, and check out when ready. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.